All right, we have a lot of work to do and not a lot of time to do it. So I'm gonna keep it brief and let's just get straight to it. We ended up getting the Yukon gears 456s professionally installed into the GMC Yukon. My wife and I decided to do that because, well, one, I don't have the experience to do it. Two, I don't have the tools, and three, I don't think it's a good idea. With that said, the speed on the cluster is completely off. It's actually about 20 kilometers faster than what we are actually doing, which is roughly about 12.5 miles an hour faster. So to remedy that, I ended up getting the Edge Evolution CTS3. So let's go unbox it and have some fun. Well, you can tell that it's spring because the birds are chirping like crazy right now outside. Okay, so I plugged it in and it actually booted up. So we're going to accept the terms of use and then go tuning. I guess it might help if I actually took my keys. There you go. Have you updated? We recommend that you update. Okay. Checking for updates. Might have to skip that because it's gonna need Wi-Fi and it's not connected. Okay, so would you like to configure? Yeah, let's configure Wi-Fi. Turn the camera off so I can enter the details into my network, and now it's doing its thing. I will, oh, here we go. Download updates failed. Couldn't resolve host name. Tune vehicle. There's economy drive, transmission tune, extreme, modify, skip this module. Let's see what that one is. This level is extreme tune, 91 octane required. Okay, drive. This level is for normal driving. Okay. What's extreme? Modify stock tune allows you to change parameters such as speed limiter without adding power or torque. Transmission tune. Okay, we'll skip this. It's factory data. Customize. Alright guys, I'm gonna do a little bit of reading here. I'll let you know what I find out. Alright, good news, I'm over here where the tires are. So now for the whole purpose of all this. 65s, 18s, save. Gears, 4, 5, 6, save. Limiter I'm gonna keep, fan I'm gonna keep, spark plug, idle, transmission. The rest of it I really don't need to touch. So install, accept and install. Oh, I like those switches. All right. Okay, Let's go take it for a boot. Bring it up to 60 kilometers an hour. Okay, so I'm up on the highway now. I'm having a little bit of an issue with this tuner right now. So I've put in my gear ratio 456. Then I put in my tire size, which is 305 65 18s, and reprogrammed the truck, and the truck accepted it. So when I'm actually doing like 80 kilometers an hour via using the GPS, the truck is actually saying that I'm doing 65 kilometers an hour. So the truck is actually going 5 kilometers an hour faster. So I went ahead, changed the gear ratios to 488. It's a lot closer to the actual speed. I'm trying to figure this out. Hopefully I can figure this out before Thursday, before I release this video, so I can tell you what's going on. But there may be some time here. All right, so I'm gonna have to end the video here. We did not find a solution just yet with the CTS tuner. Let me tell you, man, Edge has been awesome. It's been a grueling 4 days now of trying to diagnose and see what the heck's going on with this. I guess I drew the lucky straw, if you want to call it that. I'm still in the talk with Edge to try to get this figured out. They are extremely determined to figure out what's going on with this and to find a solution, which is really awesome. So customer service has been really, really good. Until then, guys, we're gonna have to leave it the way it is. I'm really happy the truck isn't down. The truck is still usable. It is what it is, you know. And like I said, CTS, they got their team behind this, and they are going to be figuring this out, which is a huge bonus. So we'll just leave it at that. I will keep you guys informed of what's going on and when we do figure out a solution for this. I'm going to be filming everything that goes on, whether it's the good, the bad, the process, the heartache, the roller coaster, the happiness, all that jazz. I want to share my experience with what we do, with whatever we do, with all of you. That is like the number one thing that is important to us, is to be able to share our experiences with all of you guys. So with that said, I hope everyone stays safe, and who knows, maybe we'll see you out there.